Now with regards to offering Eid prayer in masajid, that is in mosque, that is actually the practical sunnah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was to go out, that is leave the mosque and go out in an open place to offer Eid prayer, that is in an open place. It is mentioned in the hadith of Sahih Bukhari, hadith number 956, narrated Abu Sa'id al-Khudri, that is he said قال كان رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم يخرج يوم الفطر والأضحى, that is Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to go out, that is on the day of Eid al-Fitr and the day of Eid al-Adha, that is he used to go out, that is leave the mosque and go out in an open place to pray. So this is the sunnah, the tradition, that is to leave the mosque and go outside in an open place to pray. So this was the sunnah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that is to go out, leave the mosque, even though he said that a prayer in the mosque of mine, that is in the mosque of Medina, of Prophet's mosque, he said it is better 1000 times than elsewhere, that is praying in the mosque of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is 1000 times better than praying anywhere else except for Masjid Haram. So it is very virtuous to pray there. And even then Prophet went outside, that is left his mosque and went outside to pray the Eid prayer in an open place. So this is the tradition, actual sunnah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. What we see today, that in every mosque Eid prayer is held, that is this is actually going against the sunnah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that is he commanded, he did what he did, that he used to go out of the for the Eid prayer. And in this hadith also, in this hadith only, that is Sahih Bukhari 956, that is Marwan, who was the governor of Medina, what he did, he made khutbah, that is before the prayer. In the Eid prayer, khutbah is afterwards, after praying 2 rakah, the khutbah is afterwards, after praying. But what he did, he gave khutbah before and said that why will people stay if after praying. So he gave the khutbah before. And Abu Sa'id al-Khudri, he rebuked him, that is Abu Sa'id rebuked him, that is you changed the sunnah, that is the tradition of Prophet. So what we see, that today in every mosque Eid prayer is held, which is actually against the sunnah of Prophet and is actually a sort of bidah, and unless if it is done out of necessity, that if there is no permission given to pray outside in an open place, or there is rain, or there is some disease and whatever, there should be a valid reason for praying in a mosque, that is praying Eid prayer in a mosque rather than an open place outside. So the sunnah, practical sunnah of Prophet was, that is to pray in an open place, that is outside the mosque. And that is the practical sunnah of Prophet. What today is going on, it is a sort of a bidah. May Allah make us to follow the correct sunnah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. If it is done out of necessity, like some rain is there, permission is not given, or if we are in a non-Muslim country, there is a difficulty, there should be a valid reason for that. But the prayer, Eid prayer should take place in an open place, in an open place, that is even the woman, it is mentioned in the hadith of Sahih Bukhari, hadith number 971 from Atiyah, she said that kunna nu'maru an nakhruja yawm al-Eid, that she said we were commanded, that is the women were commanded to go out to the place of Eid prayer, that is in an open place, and even to bring out the young girls and even the menstruating women, even though they cannot pray, that is to publicize the Islamic symbols, that is to publicize Islam, that is the mannerism of Islam. So that's why the Eid prayer is to be held in an open place. That is the correct sunnah of Prophet Muhammad, and we should uphold it, rather than we should not go against the sunnah of Prophet Muhammad. And if people keep praying, that is the Eid prayer in mosques only without any necessity, and it becomes a normal trend, then it is surely a bidah, it is opposite of sunnah, that is it is a bidah. Hope this clears. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ الْمُبِينُ.